In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Boolean modifier in Blender to cut one object from another. First, let's start by selecting the object you would like to modify, which we'll refer to as the base object. Make sure you're in object mode for this step. It's important because object mode allows you to edit the properties of entire objects rather than vertex, edge, or face components. This sets the foundation for the modifications we are about to make. Next, head over to the Modifiers tab, indicated by the wrench icon in the Properties panel. Click on Add Modifier and select Boolean from the list. By using this powerful tool, you can perform various operations that involve two or more objects, allowing you to alter them in complex ways. The Boolean modifier is particularly popular for cutting or subtracting one object from another. Then in the Boolean modifier settings, you'll want to set the operation to difference. This setting ensures that the calculator considers the volume of your base object and subtracts the input of your second object, giving you that precise cut effect. Use the eyedropper tool next to the object field to select your cutting tool. Clicking on your second object in the 3D viewport will set it as the cutter. It's essential for establishing which object will serve as the subtractive shape in your Boolean operation. Now you can adjust and view the cut by moving the second object around. Blender allows you to see changes in real time, which is particularly helpful in achieving the exact look you want. If you'd like a clearer view of the results, you might consider hiding the second object. You can do this by selecting it and pressing H on your keyboard, or alternatively locate the eye icon in the outliner or the Boolean modifier's settings to achieve the same effect. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can apply the modifier to make the change permanent. Just remember that applying the modifier removes the dynamic link between the two objects, so you won't be able to modify the Boolean effect further through the original method. Sometimes the cut might not be visible, which is often due to the transformations of the objects. In those cases, make sure you have applied all transformations by using the Ctrl+A shortcut and selecting all transforms. This will ensure both objects are reset to their default scale, rotation, and location settings, which is necessary for the Boolean operation to calculate correctly. With these steps completed, you will have successfully used the Boolean modifier to cut one object from another, showcasing the versatility of Blender in your modeling endeavors.